Hi, welcome to my BySoft 7 instructional video, and today's topic, 2D file to part. So let's get started, and we will go directly to the part editor module. We will use then the import part command. This takes us to our Windows Explorer where we can browse for our 2D CAD file. Double clicking will then open the file, and we go directly to the properties window. Here we can enter whatever information is necessary, and last choose the material and thickness. Confirming by pressing the OK button, we then enter what we call the import view. This gives us the possibility to clean up or choose the part from the drawing. As we see in this particular example, we have construction lines, we have dimensioning lines that we don't need. So I can simply use one of my view commands, layer view, which will divide up the drawing into different layers, which then easily makes it possible to click on the layer or the part that I want. Confirming this choice by pressing the finish line flag will bring me into the part editor, and now I can create that laser cutting technology. Along the way, of course, there are many different additional functions like mirroring or rotating, scale. Another nice feature would be that you have the possibility to check or verify your part geometry. So simply by either clicking on the check icon or looking at the icon in the lower left corner of your screen, you will then know that your part geometry is okay. Moving on, I press the Cutting Technology tab to continue and setting my laser cutting technology. Machine gas parameter, and if I want, of course, also additional nesting settings. Confirm with OK. Then as we see, our dialog window on the right hand side is our technology settings. Important to know is that we see automatically we will have our appropriate wizard file according to machine type and gas. So all I need to do now is just press on the rocket ship. I have a ready-made part for laser cutting. I can also see that I get a machining time, 7 seconds. I'm ready to go. Thanks.